In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Mulesoft Anypoint Studio. We'll guide you through each stage of the process, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started with this powerful integration platform. Whether you're setting up Anypoint Studio for the first time or doing a fresh install, this video will walk you through every step clearly and thoroughly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're comfortable using. Once you've got your browser open, go ahead and type Mulesoft Download into the search bar and hit Enter. This is going to bring up a list of results, and we'll proceed by selecting the most reliable option. Usually, the first result displayed is the one you should go for. Specifically, look out for the URL mulesoft.com in the website address, as this directs you to the official site. Once you're on the Mulesoft website, the next step will be to select the product you're interested in downloading, which in this case is Anypoint Studio. You'll notice that Mulesoft offers various products, so it's vital to ensure you click the correct one to avoid downloading unnecessary software. Upon selecting Anypoint Studio, you'll be prompted to choose the appropriate operating system. Mulesoft supports several operating systems, so whether you are using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, make sure to select the one that corresponds to your computer. This ensures compatibility and prevents any installation issues down the line. Now, you'll be asked to fill in some personal information. This might seem a bit tedious, but it's a necessary step. You'll need to type in your first and last name, email address, and a few other details such as your company and job title. Additionally, you may need to provide information about your industry and employer, along with your country and region. All this information helps Mulesoft tailor the experience for your needs and is part of their standard user setup process. After filling in your details, you'll reach the exciting part, the download button. Go ahead and click it to begin the download process. It's that simple. Remember, depending on your internet connection speed, the download time may vary. Once the download completes, you'll find the newly downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. The file will be archived in a zip format, so you'll need to extract it to access the installation files. Right-click on the zip file, select the option to Extract All, and follow the prompts to extract the contents. With everything successfully extracted, you're now ready to install Anypoint Studio. Open the installation file, follow the on-screen instructions, and you're all set. With Anypoint Studio installed, you'll be ready to start developing and managing APIs with ease. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to downloading and starting with Mulesoft Anypoint Studio. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech how-tos.